Everyone loves Pixel Experience Room because it gives you Pixel software on almost any Android phone. But unfortunately there is no feature, so after a while it's get boring. So this ROM called Pixel Plus UI, it gives you pure vanilla Pixel experience plus some useful features. It's based on Android 11 and available for many Android phones. So let's get started. So this is latest Pixel Plus UI 3.2 based on Android 11, and here you get this Azure Blackmagic kernel. Very good kernel for gaming and battery life. And this is how Pixel Plus UI looks when you install it for first time. The home screen is very simple and this dark theme comes pre-applied in this ROM. What I like most is this app opening time, and this animation is completely smooth and effortless. So if you're tired with heavy ROMs like Resurrection Remix or Chorus OS, this is pretty lightweight ROM. It doesn't have many features, only useful features are there, and because this is lightweight ROM, you will never get random reboot or overheating in your phone. And now let's talk about what's new here. In the quick setting, you get this huge clock widget, and you will see this tint effect in all the icons. Now this effect will be available in dark theme and light theme. And for very first time in Pixel Experience, you get plenty of icons in the quick setting. You have this caffeine, you have screen recorder, you have this FPS info just like Chorus OS, which you can use for gaming, and this quick shortcut to record audio. Okay, now let's talk about the features. In the original Pixel Experience ROM, you won't see this tab in the setting menu. It is called Pixelizer. You get your features neatly organized in this vertical menu. Honestly, features are less, it's not as many as Chorus OS or any other ROMs out there, but in returns you get Pixel Experience ROM with few features, and that's the USP of this ROM. But that doesn't mean you don't get customization. You get plenty of themes and many custom wallpapers designed only for this ROM. And if you don't know where is this theme, just go to your home screen, long press, tap on these tiles, and here you can access your wallpapers designed specially for this ROM. And just beside wallpapers, here you can select your styles. You can create new if you want to. And because this is pure Pixel software, in the recent menu you get this screenshot feature and this custom text selection. Now these features are missing from many Android ROMs out there. Of course, you get this Pixel launcher from Android 11, which is extracted from the original Pixel phone, and when you right swipe, you directly go to Google Now cards. Now as you know, Pixel launcher is one of the base launcher and is not available on Google Play Store. Here you get ANX camera as the default camera in this ROM. Normally in other ROMs you get standard Snapdragon camera, but eventually you will have to install Gcam because the portrait mode is not working. As soon as you tap on portrait mode, your camera is gonna crash. And if you want to install Gcam, I will drop a video in description. Now you might be thinking, why would anyone use this ROM with so many less features compared to other ROMs like Chorus OS or Resurrection Remix? Well, the answer is very simple. Just go to your Play Store in the setting, and here you can see your device is certified. It means that your phone and this Play Store doesn't know that you're using a custom ROM, and you can use any payment app or banking apps without any problem. And if you're worried about features, there are some hidden features which you might not know. For that, go to setting, go to system, and go to this Violet Parts. And because I'm using Redmi Note 7 Pro, the code name is Violet Parts. If you're using some other phones, you will see different name here. And when you tap on that, here you will see features only designed for your phone. Here you can calibrate your display. Of course, you can disable or enable your FPS info, or you can tweak your audio with this Mi Sound Enhancer. Unfortunately, OT update is not available in this ROM, so whenever there is new build, you have to manually flash it. But when it comes to Google Play System update, you can do it very easily in the security tab. Just tap here and you can update it within few seconds. The battery life is really good. I got easily 9 hours of screen on time, and there is one more reason to install this ROM. So whenever Android 12 will be released, this kind of ROMs, Pixel Experience ROM and Pixel Plus UI ROMs, will be the first one to update to Android 12. Because other ROMs will take around 3 to 4 months to update to Android 12. So if you want to stay updated with latest Android, then you should definitely install this Pixel Plus UI. I will drop all the links in description. Before you go, like this video if you appreciate my work, and I will see you tomorrow.